Well, it costs blah 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 to run nuclear plants as other types of power plants. It is the fixed costs. So basically here we have to notice right away that we have to pronoun its. Actually, they are not pronouns. Actually, they are its, but they are more like idioms. Anyways, the rule is if you have two pronouns or something that looks like pronouns, for example, two its, and they are not referring to the same noun, you cannot or you shouldn't choose them. Alright, so these its are ambiguous. We don't know what they're referring to. Actually, they're referring to nothing. They're idioms. But if you have more than one idiom it makes a sentence very, very ugly. So that's out. Letter A is out. Letter B. The cost of something is about the same for other types of power plants. The fixed costs from building nuclear plants make this one is okay. Why? We're gonna see later why this one's okay. All right. So letter C. Let's do letter C first. So in letter C, we can apply the same theory we applied in letter A. Right. We have two idiom its, and that's wrong because we don't know what they are referring to. They're actually referring to nothing, but they are too wordy, way too wordy. So letter C is out. Letter D, it costs about the same to run nuclear plants as for other types of power plants, whereas the electricity they generate. Now, who is they? What is they? What is the referent? What is the antecedent? We have two options: the other types of power plants and the nuclear plants. So actually, those two options make sense. That's why this answer choice, letter D, is highly ambiguous, and therefore we eliminate it. Letter E, the cost of running nuclear plants is about the same as other types of power plants, but the electricity they get the same story. Alright, they is ambiguous because we have two options: other types of plants and nuclear plants. So that's out. What happens with letter B? How they fix that situation? If we notice the main clause, we have the fixed costs from building nuclear plants make the electricity they generate. So actually this they refers to nuclear plants. Why? Because we have nuclear plants in our main clause. Nowhere in the main clause we have the other types of power plants. So in this case, it's not totally perfect, but this sentence makes way more sense. This pronoun, at least we can find the referent with less ambiguity. Alright, so this answer choice, letter B, reduces ambiguity and is clear. So letter B is our answer.